Hi guys, how y'all doing? I just wanted to make a quick video to show you guys I found this new product, sauce, pepper sauce. I got it from Costco. I want to show you guys how to make this insane sausage. It just tastes really, really, really good. So I've chopped up the meat already. It's all ready to go. I also have the skins. It's from three. This will be on 3 front shoulders that I've done. I took the skins, and I'm going to show you that in another video, what to do with those in an old Italian way. It's called cutene. And it's unbelievable how good that tastes once that's all done. But I want to go on with this video, and I'm going to grind this all up. I don't need to grind it again and show you guys how to grind it because that's in my other videos. But I'm going to grind this up, and I'll see you on the next part. Okay, so I just finished grinding. So I've got the grind ready, and I'm going to be mixing. So I want to tell you about that sauce. That sauce that I'm talking about is right here. And it's called travaglini, and it's a vegetable chili sauce. And you get this at Costco, is where I found it. It is amazing. It's a mixture of your vegetable sauce with red chili sauce in it. But I also make it in my pasta. When I want to do my spaghetti sauce, I add a tablespoon of this in. And I'm telling you, it is just, my God, it gives such a great taste to it. And then I add a little bit of my regular sauce that I normally put in, which is any kind of a vegetable mix. So I'll do that. So anyway, these are the mixtures that I use. Of course, you have your salt, which you're going to use on 15. This is about 15 pounds of meat. So on 15 pounds of meat, you're going to put in at least 4 tablespoons of salt. Your fennel, if you want to put the fennel, give it that kind of Sicilian flavor to it. I usually put a tablespoon and a half of fennel. Black pepper, you're going to want to put 4 tablespoons of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of red chili, crushed chilies, peppers. We go back to the sauces. On the sauces are going to be last. So this is how you're going to go. We're going to work it this way. Your sauce, you're going to put the vegetable mix. If you want to put any, you'll put a tablespoon of that in, and you're going to want to put a 1/4 cup, okay? A 1/4 cup of this special sauce that's just unbelievable, okay? So I'm going to add that in, and I'm going to show you what it looks like after the mix. So I've had my pork casing, I've taken it out from the fridge, had it overnight. I cleaned them, and I had them sit in water with lemon juice, and then the lemon's on top just to get any of the odor out. So this is a good way to do it too. So I let them sit overnight in the fridge and then get them ready for putting the meat in. Sta facendo?
Facciamo la salsiccia siciliana.
Arrusti e bene mangia!
Un odore meraviglioso, bellissimo proprio. Salsiccia siciliana.
Thank you. And so there is the sausage, all done. So what I'm going to do now is I take it and I'll hang it in my garage, somewhere in a cool place, and just hang it for a day, just so it dries out just a bit on the outside. And then I'll take them and I'll vacuum pack them, and that's it. So that's the new sauce that I wanted to show everybody. So if you want to see how it's made and how it's mixed and everything, then go to see one of how to make Sicilian sausage, and that shows you the grinding and everything else. But that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please, if you do like this video, please make sure you hit the like button, and please subscribe. The more subscribers we got, the more videos I'll keep making. Take care, guys. Love ya. Bye. Arrusti bene mangia, arrusta, arrusta. Arrusti bene mangia, arrusta. Arrusti bene mangia.